Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a look using the ColourPop Misunderstood palette. It's one of their, well, is the Disney Villains palette. Has a nice palette of 15 beautiful shades. I did a darker smoky eye with some random pops of color. If you'd like to check out the look, just keep watching. Starting off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is just a sample size. This will be my primer that goes all over my eyes. As mentioned, I'm using my ColourPop Disney Villains Misunderstood palette. Looks like this on the outside and then like this on the interior. But hopefully you can see the colors and it's not too reflective. I'm gonna do kind of a smoky look today. Starting off with this color called Devious in the crease as my buffer shade. On the top row here in the fourth color. Using a crease brush, I'm just using Carity E31. Fluffy and tape. Well, it's fluffy and kind of stippling a little bit. I'm just applying this in the crease. And I need a mirror because this palette does not have one. So, bummer. Gonna go ahead above that and take this color called Tragic. It's right beside the color I just used. It's this color on the top. Right, last color. I'm just using the same brush. This would be my brow highlight. Going back into the crease again to add a little more color. Now I'm ready to move on to my eyelids. Okay, so I'm taking this color called Facile or Facile. No, it's Facile without the E in Spanish. This color here. It's a shimmery green. I'm just taking a flat brush. I'm packing this on the center of my lid. You can kind of brush this color down. It blends better. Or it applies better when you brush it rather than patting it. Pack it. Brush it rather than pack it. Yeah. For the inner and outer V, I'm taking this blue called The Fates. It's a matte. Well, it's more like a satin. Not quite a matte. This palette is so reflective. I really hope you can see the colors. This color here. I'm using this e.l.f. contour brush. I believe I'm just gonna apply this on the outside for now. I might do a halo and apply it on the inside, but I'm gonna see how I like this first. I think I'm also going to apply it on the inside. As you can see, those colors blend so well together. And this blue is super pigmented. The green was too. And you can apply it in the tear duct if you like. I think I want to put something else there. So I'm trying not to get it too much into my tear duct. Going back into the crease again with Devious, which is that brownish color. And I'm just blending this out even more. You can apply as much or as little as you like. I want mine to be a little intense. Well, it's very intense, honestly. But I don't want any gaps, so that's why, you know, I'm going back and forth. Taking more of that Tragic, which was that brow highlight. For the inner tear duct, actually, I think I'm gonna stick with the blue. I said I wasn't gonna apply any in there, but I think I am because I like how that's looking. So I'm gonna just put a little. I'm not gonna go too far towards my nose. I'm gonna keep it as close as possible to the lid. I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon in Black. Okay, it's just black. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I just gave up. I'm taking a MAC 226, which is a pointed tapered brush. I'm setting it with the color in the palette. This color is a shimmery black. I've been very excited to use this. This is called Revenge. It's at the bottom left of the palette. I'm smudging out the lower lash line with this color. Hopefully the shimmer stays put. That's what I'm counting on because it's so pretty. Oh yes, it is. It's perfect. In the inner tear duct, you probably can't notice that I left it bare. Let me show you that black real fast. If I can stop my eyes from watering. This is what we have so far. You can probably see it. See the glitter at the lower lash line? So pretty. It stays put. That's what I like about their shimmers that have sparkle in them. The sparkle actually stays. inner tear duct. I'm taking this purple actually. It's called Forest of Thrones. I believe I'm gonna use that one, yes. It's the middle It's the middle color in the palette, this purple here. Dusting off the color I just used for the black, which was the MAC 226. This is going on the inner lower lash line. And that tear duct just at the bottom. I'm actually gonna kind of bring it around as soon as I can get this. As you see, that lower lash line pops so nicely with that color. This is an incredible palette from ColourPop. Review is probably already up, so I'll link it on screen for you, but this palette is amazing. I'm actually bringing it around a little bit over the black, and then just a little into the corners. Not too much though, because I don't want to take away from the blue at the top. Gonna apply some eyeliner now. Love the way this look turned out. I'm taking the NYX liquid eyeliner in jet black. I meant to grab my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in black. Both of them work really well, but I'm trying to use this up so I can get rid of it because I have too many black eyeliners. Way too many. I'm gonna apply some concealer at the bottom. A ColourPop No Filter concealer. I think I'm actually about to throw this away after this time because it's kind of dry. It has a little left, but it's very little. It's like stuck along the sides and it's kind of dried up. So, you know, it's time to move on. I have tons of concealer, so it's not like, okay, it looks like I might have more in here. I could never throw it away. It's like never ending, which is a good thing, I guess. I just have a lot of concealer I'm trying to use up, so it's like, when does it end? Blending this out. I'm taking my Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. I'm gonna throw in some lashes. I'm just gonna use these from Amazon. They look like this. There's some synthetic faux mink lashes. These actually work pretty well. Whenever this dries, I'll set my lash band and cover it with eyeliner. For foundation, I'm just going to use my Bare Minerals Major Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation, which is all I've been using lately, honestly. I'm just applying it with a cheap foundation brush. I'm taking, actually, a highlight in the palette. I've been doing this lately. It's not really a highlight, you know, it works as a highlight. I'm taking this color called Flotsam. It's this color in the Misunderstood palette. It's this color here. Second row, 4 from the left. I'm taking a fan brush. I'm applying this as my cheek highlight. Let's see how this works out. It looks like it will work beautifully. Oh no, I got some blue in the brush. That's why I don't like using eyeshadow, because I can mix it by mistake and then it's ruined. Let's try not to get blue in it this time. Not gonna be able to do much because this brush is kind of big and these colors are really close together. So I'm touching the other colors by mistake. My face is really dry too. I'm gonna spray some all-nighter. Normally I don't do this before applying everything else, but my face is super dry and I need the hydration. This is Urban Decay All-Nighter, by the way. I'm getting those dry spots on my face. I think I'm actually gonna skip highlighter. I have a lot of shimmer on my eyes already, so I know that doesn't matter. But I'm just not in the mood. While I'm waiting on my face to set, I'm gonna apply some lip color. I actually think I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna take this ColourPop Just a Tint in Give Me Some More. So nice nude. All of these are pretty nude, so I think with the crazy eyes, this will be beautiful. Gonna apply some blush now. This is Amazon Princess from MAC. I'm taking just a regular brush, mixing those two colors together in there. And I think I'm gonna attempt to apply some highlighter because I have some on this side. I can't just wear it on one side, it looks crazy. So I'm taking that same Flotsam color being careful not to touch the blue this time. I think that's a nice highlight. I just need a more tapered brush to get into that small color. Blush. Let's get back to it. Let's see if I need to cover up my lash band. I don't think I need to actually. I think they blend pretty well because the band is already black. And I haven't been having to, you know, apply eyeliner over these lashes, so that's really convenient. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to rate the video, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notifications. Talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.